Let me know. Let me know. It's recording. He's not very thrilled. If he gets too much, we can put him down. He's already there. Okay. Luffy, come here. Luffy.
Go, go,
Luffy,
go,
go.
go.
Luffy, come
你
here.
抱着他在你的腿上。Stay, Luffy, stay,
Luffy, stay. Luffy,
stay, stay.
Luffy, stay.
Good boy, stay,
Good
stay.
boy. Stay, 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 stay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, you can put him down. Sorry. And last year there were some like things that we did, and I was like, oh my god, that's so embarrassing. I did the way I acted. So let's see how I've improved and how I look different and stuff this year. Okay. So yeah, why don't we just put him down?
因为那边也有那个东西。
He won't go. He's been here lately.
我把它放在那里。
Maybe I should switch out mine. Nah, it's fine. Should I switch
No,
it?
it's fine.
Okay. The hell? Look at Luffy. Zoom in, zoom in. Why is he such a good foot?